Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Turn on Bluetooth and set the keyboard in pairing mode so the pad detects it. Why do this first? Because a stable link prevents random disconnects once you start typing. Once paired, make sure the keyboard layout matches your language in settings. This avoids swapped keys. If a PIN shows, enter it quickly and press enter on the keyboard. These steps get your hardware talking. Next, we'll adjust the input behavior and shortcuts. Once done pairing, set the keyboard as the default input so apps use it automatically. You'll also want to enable useful shortcuts, screenshot, app switch, and navigation keys, because they speed up workflows dramatically. Make sure to map FN keys if your keyboard app or third-party utility supports it. This lets one key do multiple tasks. Finally, fine-tune autocorrect and key repeat delay so typing feels natural. These tweaks to finish, position the pad in landscape with a case or stand to get a laptop-like experience and enable multitasking gestures for split-screen typing. Update the keyboard firmware or Xiaomi device settings to gain stability and new features. This prevents odd behavior. If things go wrong, try simple fixes. Toggle Bluetooth, repair the devices, reset the keyboard, and check battery levels. Often interference from other devices causes drops. If persistent, update the pad OS or contact support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.